Morning, folks. Day 3. Oh, there's a little ball of the 25 straight days of doing a daily video. Have no idea what I'm going to do today, except I got to turn out some lights from last night and open up some gates for potential workers to come in today. And then I have to tell Tay Mo, you can't go out there. Mo, no, you can't go. You can't go. Sorry, girl. But I gotta go open up the gates. And then I gotta go get me a Red Bull. I ran out of Red Bull yesterday, and I cannot believe I went to Rim yesterday and did not buy a couple little 10 packs of Red Bull. Oh. That's what getting old does to you. That's what getting old does. So I'm getting a little better at walking and holding the camera, but I figure by the end of this month I'll have it down pretty good. But all right, I gotta go open some gates. This is the field that they had the agricultural fair for East-West seed less than weeks ago. Oh, what do I want? Oh, these are so good. Oh, is that coffee for me? Is that for me?
Okay.
No, I just kidding. Okay, got some more work I gotta do. The wife calls this my playground out here in the orchard, and I just look at it as a whole crap load of work that's gotta be done. So, I'm going to the bar. I'm just kidding. We've got an area that's low and keeps flooding and getting soft soil. So we've been putting some dirt in here. Yeah, I gotta pack it down so it doesn't spread the water out into the soil and make it real soft again. So that's what I'm gonna do. get stuck a couple times in there. Like my tree cam. Well, got this little area flattened out pretty good. I think I can save those birds of paradise though. They've just kind of bent over is all. But this is in nice and solid. But I gotta put some more dirt in here. Right down in here. I use my shadow. Yeah, shadow is a pointer. Got up here. Started sinking when I got up into here. So need to pull this tree out of here. Couldn't get back in here because of these things. So I got to clean them up, move them out of here, and then go ahead and bring the truck back in, and or the Tata. Listen, we got a Tata. Come back in here and flatten these out. So that's my dirt work for the day. Same. Oh, look good. I eat noodles at that noodle shop probably 3 times a week because my wife is taking care of her mother a lot. So I come and get me a chanom. And I get some chickens from Mo. This is what these guys are pulling out of here. Got 2 snakeheads and 2 jumping fish, and the little catfish that I caught out of one of my lotus blossom pots and threw out here. Yeah, he's dead now. Damn, no, he's not dead. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna go turn him loose in the irrigation canal. Oh, he's not dead. I'm surprised. But anyhow, they're down here catching these fish. That's my iron workers. Well, of course, I wouldn't dare give them the nets to do this with. There's 4 of them. I want to know who's going to get the little fish. Okay, folks. It is weather time. Time for me to do the weather. Just so you know, it is 74 degrees right now at just a couple minutes before 8 o'clock in the evening. The high today was 86 in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and the low was 64 degrees. Currently, we have 2-mile-per-hour winds out of the northwest. Okay, it's like gusting outside, and absolutely no precipitation in the next 10-day forecast. Matter of fact, it's going to be almost completely sunny days. Highs in the low 90s, upper 80s, and the lows in the mid to upper 60s, plus a couple times it's going to hit in the 70s for lows. Oh my God. Let's do this. Let's go to Ponca City, Oklahoma and check that weather report out. It is currently 29 degrees. That's right, 29 degrees. The high was 41 degrees. The low was 28. So, I mean, it's like you're not on the bottom yet. Precipitation-wise, 25% on Wednesday. And this is Wednesday here, by the way. 10% tomorrow. 25% next Monday and Tuesday both. you're looking like it's gonna snow. You guys are screwed any way you look at it. But hey, you're not gonna have blizzard conditions because the wind's only 2 miles per hour out of the northwest. But I got a special edition for you tonight. Let's go to Casper, Wyoming. Oh, crabby. That's 5 degrees out there right now. And the high was 16. Holy shit. Yeah, the low was 7 below. So you can guess what the 90% precipitation is going to be on Wednesday. Yeah, snow and lots of it. Okay, 90% chance means it's going to snow like crazy, especially when your high is only going to be 16 degrees and your low is going to be 7 below. Oh my goodness. Oh, next Saturday's the same way. Oh, and Sunday's the same way. Oh my God, you guys are screwed. You might consider, retiring in some other state beside Wyoming, unless you like to snowmobile like a couple of buddies of mine. They got cabins on the mountain. They got places out by the hot springs. I mean, the guy's got the life, and he loves to snowmobile. Me, personally, I'm kicking it back here in the tropics, with my 80-degree weather. So, y'all enjoy your weather. I'm enjoying mine. Talk at y'all later.